Welcome to the ECFX Notice and Law Toolbox integration demo, where we can use AI to manage the inbound notices and notifications from the courts in your various matter records. This video will show you an overview of the Better Together partnership that allows you to quickly go from activating a matter on LawToolBox to automatically retrieving your court files with ECFX Notice, to reviewing these documents to quickly create and update all of the deadlines for your cases using the LawToolBox AI. To begin, we will want to activate your matter on LawToolBox. Our integrations with our accounting and DMS platform partners allows you to quickly and efficiently pull information from that platform to create a matter on LawToolBox that has all of the same information you have already input for that case. This ensures a one-to-one match between the name, client information, case number, and all other relevant record information of your cases across all of your platforms. The next step is to set up your automatic file retrieval with ECFX Notice. This will result in the notices being sent to all case team members whenever new files are available for all of your cases. These files will also automatically be stored in the designated folder or workspace of your DMS platform and is accessible by anyone on your team. Here we see the ECFX Notice inbox, where you will see the notices arrive from the various court websites on which your case documents are stored. ECFX Notice uses server-level forwarding to capture 100% of the firm's federal and state electronic court filing notices and provide them to you in one central location. In our example, we see a number of PACER notices from the Northern District of California. Each notice has a link to one or more documents that in manual processes must be downloaded, named, and stored in the firm's document management solution or file system, and then distributed to those case teams. ECFX Notice performs these steps automatically. We see a notification like this one here, generated within seconds of receiving the PACER notice with the documents already attached in PDF form. Notice is then sent out via email to the case team, arriving in their Outlook inbox. Looking now at our Outlook inbox, we can see the various notifications I have received from ECFX Notice, which I am now ready to review and calendar for using LawToolBox. Now I have some work to do, so I'm going to go to this item that has been flagged for my attention. I will open the email from ECFX Notice and then open LawToolBox. I'm going to open the appropriate matter record, and I'm going to go to our AI Find Deadlines function. I'm going to choose my prompt. I'm going to check mark the box to search for all relevant times, dates, and appointments within the body of the email and all of the attached documents. Lastly, I'll click Select and allow the LawToolBox AI to retrieve all of the deadlines and events. Now that LawToolBox has returned all the appropriate deadlines, we're going to select them all, and we're going to create the appointments. Now we have a total deadline count of 34 deadlines that have been pulled from the transfer order as well as the original notice. I'm going to close this, and now I'm going to look at our deadline chart. Here we can see all the deadlines that have been calculated and created in the matter record. And while they're available to everybody in the firm within LawToolBox, we want to get these synced out to everyone's calendar. So I'm going to click the Sync button and choose Add Selected. ECFX Notice will automatically save all retrieved files to your DMS platform, but there is also functionality within LawToolBox to save the notice email. This allows us to get all of those lovely attachments into the DMS system to the appropriate folder, ensuring all communications and documents are fully captured. I can now look at my calendar. I can see the deadlines appearing for myself and everyone else who has been added to this matter on LawToolBox. Our final step of the day is to unflag this message to complete our work on this particular email and move on to our next one. You have just seen a brief look into how ECFX Notice continuously monitors the court websites for all of your cases, retrieves any and all files, and quickly disperses those files to all relevant members of your team. All members of your organization with an active LawToolBox license can quickly review documents and pull out all relevant information to make additions or adjustments to your case deadlines using the LawToolBox AI. Please reach out to your account executive at both ECFX Notice and LawToolBox to schedule a demo and discuss all the various ways both platforms can benefit your team in greater detail.